Finally here, my Amazon package. And what I have ordered is lettuce. 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 This package comes in 10 different varieties. And I am gonna plant every one of them. Lettuce is one of the easiest things to grow in the winter and spring. And it is the most hardy thing to grow. It comes back, you grow it, you plant it once, you cut it, it grows back. It's the easiest thing to maintain too. So I'm so excited about getting this lettuce package from Amazon, and I'm gonna plant all these seeds, and I'm gonna give you guys an update on how these Amazon seeds did. Okay, so if you are interested in knowing how these seeds germinated and grew and how fast they grew, you give me a follow, hit me a subscribe, and I will keep you updated on all these garden seeds that I am planting this winter. Thank you for watching.